Mom, actually, I was in like coaching. I was in coaching center.
But I heard from someone that you were not there.
Mom, I think he must have told you wrong about me.
No, no, I heard so many things about you that you are not focusing on your study and you have an affair with someone. So what is happening with you?
Okay, Mom. So I'm going to disclose all things. Like actually, she is my friend, and I think I actually she is my like girlfriend. I want to share with you, but as you know that, but I will not live without her, and I want to marry her in future.
No, 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 no. Your age is focusing on your career and study. This is not age of love and affair. Pushkar, are you listening? What your child is doing?
Yeah, what's going on there? Right now I'm busy with I'm busy using my computer. So
You
what's going
are
on?
always busy in your work. You are
Yeah,
not
you.
focusing what is going on in our life.
Yeah, tell me what happened.
It is your son is not in our hand.
Oh, what do you want to say? Please, please clear me.
Ask him what he is doing.
Say
Yeah,
straight.
tell me what do you want? What do you want?
So okay, that actually there is a girl in my in coaching institute, and she is my like good friend, and not only friend. Actually, she is my like girlfriend, and we have been in this relationship for like 2 years, and I want to marry her.
Oh, tell me, my son, which ethnicity does she belong to?
Ethnicity.
Yeah,
That I'm not believe in
First
any
of
like
all, you should ask
ethnicity or
what
any
is
caste.
our caste.
yeah. I want to say this.
That I'm not believer on any caste.
My
No, no,
son,
but
please,
our
getting married
relatives
is not a
first
cup
they
of tea.
ask this
Okay,
question.
it's it's it is about your future. So don't get anything in a rush. Okay, please be careful about your future. Right now you are turning into 19. So our Indian penal code or Indian penal law uh, doesn't let you do like this like marriage. Okay, after completing 20 years, then you will eligible for getting married. Okay.
No, no, what are
But
you
then
saying?
I'm not insist.
What are you
I'm
saying,
not
Pushkar?
insist you that I'm right now married to her.
Listen.
Actually, I'm married to her after my graduation.
No,
He will
listen.
marry where we want.
What? Yeah. What does his parents do?
Okay. So dad actually her father is in Indian Army, and her mother is like teacher by profession.
Yeah. And
And
okay, but you told me you have told me that their caste is not match for us, not fit for us. So this is not matter. This is not only your matter, but also we live in this society. We have to listen our neighbors, and don't you want us your parents to
that
be happy?
that who cares about society?
Everyone cares
But
about
I'm not
society.
care about society.
No, no, listen. This is not your love. This is nothing but only attraction. Okay.
infatuation.
Yeah, so you should obey obey your parents, and you should do whatever we want. We want to do. We want you to be successful in future. So
Yeah.
every
Mhm.
First,
every
you should
parents
focus on
wants
your
their son
career
to be successful.
and find
Everyone.
any job.
Mom,
What?
I will manage both things. Like I will carry on my study as well as my like relationship.
No,
No, no,
no,
no,
this
no,
is
my son.
not
This is not
happen.
possible. This is not possible in my home. Okay. If you want to get married with her, then
Everything is
you have to.
possible.
No, no, no. You have to leave from our house. Okay. Hello, Sima. Ask
Why?
your
Why
son
he
and
will leave our
ask your
house?
son and make
We
him
no,
understand.
no.
Okay.
Yes, I am saying that he will not leave our house. Even he should leave what we are saying. Even he will find any job and focus their career, and we will find any girl
Yeah, exactly.
who listen us and who care us.
Don't worry. If
Yeah.
if he if
Mhm.
your son doesn't wants we us to be happy, so why are you taking worry about him? We would hire a maid, and maid will take care of us.
Oh my God! In 30
But
years of
that,
marriage,
but that
you
maid will
never
not give
hire
you
any
like
maid.
any son. Like maid will not give any like successor.
Yeah, exactly. But you if you don't want us to be happy. So why would we take care of you?
I think that uh, I will I will like actually I invited her
Listen,
like
when
in our
yeah
house.
yeah
If
listen, my
No,
son.
no,
You know,
don't invite
before
her
getting
in
before
my
getting
house.
my marriage with your mom, that time
mom,
I
she's
also
decent.
got drawn towards the so many girls, but that time I committed. I bent on my I bent on my determination. So that's why you should you should
That
do
that
whatever I
don't tell
want.
like
I
rubbish
will never
things.
let you down.
You
Okay.
you must have like relationship like in your like whenever you in like graduation
No, no,
and
you are
I
taking decision so fast. So this is not a right
Who
age
is
to
taking
take decision
who
of
is taking
marriage.
hmm? Who is taking decision first?
Sonu.
Yeah.
mom, I'm
Okay.
not taking like decision quickly.
I think your
I
mom
already have
I
introspected
think your mom insist you to do this.
No,
what
no,
I
I'm
think you
saying
both
that
mom and son are
in
same.
every
You
age
are on
their
the same boat.
mindset will be changed. So now cool down and stay focused on your studies. So when you will get job, your mindset will be changed.
Okay,
So
got it,
don't
got it.
be hurry.
Don't be in hurry. ठीक है. Good.
Good, sir. It's good.